Timing belt replacement on a 1998 Chrysler Cirrus LXI 2.5 V6. Finishing my last of my tasks here. I did break one of these quick snap-ons for the fuel injection, so I put a different hose on there. But I guess it's time to see if this actually fixed the problem or not. See if it's going to start up. It might not start up and run too fast because it lost all this fuel pressure, but it always started good. Well, you know, started right up. Power steering might be a little low here. Bubbling through there. And it always did do that shut off thing every once in a while. So let's just see if it starts back up. It does start back up. But the main thing is it's going to still leak oil. It doesn't seem to be leaking right now. This is a pretty major job, replacing a timing belt. See what happens here. Going to end it right now.